these little guys here, they're like little card readers found in some of the older PlayStation 3 consoles. So if you just pop out this metal casing, pretty easy to take out. You'll see there's a nice decent peripheral board in here. You see we have some tantalum chips here, a few monolithic, some IC chips. We have these card reader slots, and look at if you look at the edge here, all the pins, they're all gold, and all the gold goes all the way until here. So the pins are quite long, some good gold. So for someone who collects gold for processing and whatnot, these are pretty good. Usually these, I just put them in the peripheral board pile, and if I'm not too lazy, I'll remove the tantalum and small monolithics, but there's not much on this board that I use personally, so I just usually just scrap them. So I have a few of these, so let me just pop these out quickly. And they go pretty easy, nothing too complicated. With the metal casing, it just pops out pretty easy. And like I said, these are considered peripherals, so they're worth about $1.50 a pound. So there's some value if you're not into the whole refining for gold and whatnot. I don't do that personally because I don't have the time, and also there's a whole learning curve to it to learn what to use and how to use them with how much amount of chemicals and whatnot. So I'm not too keen on that stuff. Now what's interesting here is, well, you have the ribbon. The ribbon, great for people who do gold, because all the tips are gold, and I'm not sure how deep the gold goes into this, but I know some of these ribbons have gold going in up to a certain depth here about. I'm not sure if this specific ribbon does, but I know some of the other ones found in the PlayStation 3 do. So that might be an idea for someone to maybe find a way to melt the plastic and keep the wiring inside, maybe through incinerating them like people do with IC chips. Maybe throw this in there too. But I usually just cut the tips. I do this because it's easy. You cut it and then you sell them on eBay for someone who knows how to refine this stuff.